Alright guys, day number 10. Somehow we made it to double digits. I have no idea how, but I wanted to say a few things about these videos. All these videos and all the videos I've done on my channel have been completely on my iPhone. I know some of you guys might know that, but I think it's an important part of this whole thing. I mean, I film, edit, upload, do all the tags, download music for the videos, like every single thing is on the iPhone. I mean, there's the occasional GoPro clip, but I'm sending that footage to my iPhone and editing it on there. I'm only bringing this up because I think it's such an important element. The restriction, you know, the making a challenge kind of gets you out and forces you to do something. You know, if you have like millions of things you could do, sometimes you never do them. You know, so if you set like a restriction, or in this case a challenge that like makes you get out, it can really help. So anyway, day 10, get out of work about 4:30, 5 o'clock, head directly to the skate park. And I have no idea what trick to try. Like, I have nothing in my head. So I pull out my phone and start going through the comments, trying to get some ideas. And yeah, I'll just play the footage for you. Alright, so Lusty commented, am I going to incorporate the spine in any of my videos? I've always wanted to learn switch frontside nose blunt, maybe revert out on the spine, so give it a shot. So figured I'd skate it, mess around, do some tricks, and you know, start feeling some things out. I've always wanted to do the switch frontside nose blunt, so tried a few of those, kicking them around, but they just didn't, I don't know, it just felt awkward, wasn't getting a good pop. So yeah, gave up on that and pulled out my phone again and saw this comment from Ivan Ristovic that said big flip, back tail, revert out. And I don't know, for some reason that just kind of stuck in my head. That's it, started going for it. Thought I might be able to do it. You know, so kicking it around, kind of getting close, sometimes not. Then a few friends showed up, so I pulled out the camera, I'm filming them. You know, we're hanging out. And I realized my phone's on like 20% battery, something like that. So I'm starting to realize, wait, I'm not going to get a trick today, I don't think so. Yeah, go back into the comments. There was a comment, I can't remember the name, asking for a nollie bigger flip. Kyle Van Sickle comments some bigger flip of some kind, so let's see, let's hit the hip, see if we can make it happen. So yeah, anyway, I just head over to the hip, start trying that. Phone's on like 5% battery. I'm getting pretty close, but as I'm starting to stick one, I run over to the camera and dead. See, that's one of the downfalls of restriction, you know? It's good because it can help you with all these limitations. You know, it kind of forces you to get out and make something happen. But, you know, you're going to have restriction and it's going to be tough. And, yeah, that's it. Phone died. So, luckily, a little earlier in the day, I was able to get that big flip, back tail, revert somehow. Yeah, not without a struggle. It took me a lot of tries. Made it through day 10, but it's definitely that restriction. You know, it's just been a huge part of my life. Always setting little challenges, you know, trying to do YouTube completely on my iPhone and things of that nature. I don't know, it just kind of keeps it fun for me and interesting. So, anyway, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 11.